Hey Collage crew, welcome back to Pro Tips on PicCollage. Today we'll be diving into some new ways to edit your text that will make your collage even cooler. Let's jump right in. Here's a simple collage that I made with PicCollage. Let's first add some text to it. If you don't know how to add text to your collage yet, you can check out our previous video by clicking on the link above. Once you've added your text, double tap on one of them to give it an upgrade. Then tap the sparkle icon here for some ready-made font and background pairings. There's so many options. Fun fact, these can actually change based on the photos you add. See how the colors change to match the different photos? It makes collaging so much easier. But for this collage here, let's go with this one. Let's double tap on the other line of text to give it an upgrade. If you want more freedom, you can also customize your text however you like. Make your way to the three dots here. There is a bunch of edits that you can make. You can add outlines to your text, or adjust the size of your text. Let's make it a bit smaller. But our favorites to use are first curve and spacing and shadow. Let's give it some final tweaks. This looks so cute. Now just tap done to save your collage. Or share with one of these buttons here. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more collage tips. Thanks, PicCollage crew!